Okay, so now we're going to do the we do part of the lesson and answer questions 5 and 6 plus do an exit ticket. So this section is called City-States. What were the other important cities in ancient Greece? After a time of unrest, a few of the Greek city-states began to gain power. Two of the strongest were Athens and Sparta. Other major city-states include Corinth and Thebes. Over time, Athens and Sparta became rivals. Many of these cities were separated by mountains or seas. As a result, each developed its own form of rule and civilization. Greece's geography made travel and communication difficult. As a result, it was hard to have one central government. Because of this, the city-states grew separately. The city-states were often quite different from one another because of their locations. For example, the city-states of Corinth and Thebes grew powerful in part because of the resources available in their location. Corinth was near the Isthmus of Corinth. This is a small strip of land between the Aegean Sea and the Ionian Sea. This location gave Corinth access to sea routes. Traveling across water made moving between the Greek mainland and its peninsulas or islands quick and easy. Corinth used this location to build some colonies in the area, including Corsica and Syracuse. These colonies helped Corinthians make shipping routes and control trade in early Greece. Trading helped Corinth become more powerful. Thebes was northwest of Athens. It was not close to the sea, but was close to several major springs. These springs were a source of water for the city's people and for its crops. This meant Thebes did not need to trade to get the food it needed. Thebes grew into a military power. The city also became an enemy of Athens and Sparta. The Greek city-states grew in separation from one another. However, they did have some common culture and goals. When they were threatened, the Greek city-states sometimes worked together to protect themselves. These threats often came from another great power, Persia. Persia wanted to have more power in the region. It also wanted to control the trade routes in the Aegean Sea. The struggle for control meant that Persia often fought with Greek city-states and colonies. What structures were built in the center of Greek city-states? Answer: temples were found at the center of the city-states. Please make sure you answer question number 5. What does this suggest about ancient Greek culture? This suggests that Greeks valued religion. And again, if you wanted to pull out that answer a little bit more, we're going to learn about that they were polytheists. Okay. After you have pages 5 and 6, please go back and make sure your name is on your worksheet and your block is in it. I am taking this up on a separate piece of paper. Please write, please answer the exit ticket. And you're going to do this independently. I'm not going to give you any guidance on this. You may go back and look at the PowerPoints again to find the answer if you're stuck. What are some of the unique products that can be produced in the climate and geography of Greece? I'm going to give you just a little bit of a nudge. If you think about what's in a Greek salad, you might come up with at least 2 of the ingredients.